Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel Coding Center Official. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a stylish floating password input label using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. First we write the HTML code. We create a container for our input field, label, and a toggle button to show or hide the password. Now, let's add CSS code. I add some CSS to style our input field and floating label. We'll use a dark theme with neon highlights to make it look cool. Now add JavaScript code. I add JavaScript code to make the show and hide functionality work for our password input field. When the user clicks the button, he easily check the password. I hope you enjoy my practical coding video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more amazing coding videos.